Hey guys, right here I have these tall size cargo sweatpants that are absolutely a game changer. If you're looking for something that's going to be perfect for everyday wear, lounging in the house, or in the gym, these are going to be absolutely perfect for you. These range from 33 to 35 inseam all the way down, and that's going to be perfect for someone from 6 foot all the way to 6'5". Now, I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size medium, and I think that they fit perfectly. Now you can see that we have cargo pockets on each side that are gonna be pretty deep. And I think that's really practical if you just wanna throw your wallet in there or just some extra stuff. We do have really deep pockets on the front side as well. That is gonna be perfect for an extra large phone or your keys. We don't have any pockets in the rear, and that's gonna be all right because these are gonna be perfect for like lounging around in the house or going to the gym and anything like that. We got a nice relaxed fit going around the base of the pants, and that's gonna fall over your shoes perfectly and just give you that really nice casual look. We got a nice relaxed fit in the legs. It's not gonna be really tailored, but they're not gonna be super baggy. I think these look amazing and they feel amazing too. They're definitely lightweight, breathable, but it's such a nice quality material fabric that it just feels really high end and something that I could wear all day. These also come in a couple different colors. These have a very nice elastic waistband, which is gonna be perfect for staying up on your waist. And we also have really high quality strings as well. That's gonna make that really easy to tie. We're gonna have a little bit of like a plastic tip on the end. So it's just a nice cool accent piece. These really look high end, they feel high end, and they're gonna be absolutely amazing for just daily practical wear. Check out the other colors that they have to offer. These also come in an extra tall size as well. So if you're 6 foot and above, you can get the extra tall and you're gonna be fitting absolutely amazing in these pants. Thanks for watching. Add these to your cart and I'll see you guys in the next video.